This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a verified backup and correct device info. This prevents data loss and wrong firmware flashes. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect the phone to your computer. Make sure you identify the exact model and Android build so you download matching factory images or stock firmware. If a custom recovery or Magisk is present, locate its uninstall method now. Act promptly. These steps set the stage for you will now replace the modified system with stock images to remove root at its core. First, verify the downloaded factory image checksum. Corrupt files break the process. Then boot into bootloader and use fastboot to flash the boot, system, vendor, and radio partitions in the OEM recommended sequence. If Magisk patched the boot image, unpatch or restore the original boot first so the flashed boot isn't rerouted. Stay patient. Flashing can take several minutes per partition. After flashing, decide whether to relock the bootloader. Relocking restores security but performs a factory wipe, so make sure backups exist. Boot into the system and confirm root is gone by checking that SU is absent and safety net passes. Then let the phone optimize apps and install updates. If you hit a boot loop, reflash the stock recovery and the full factory image, and collect a logcat to identify errors. One key tip: if flashing fails repeatedly, check USB cable, drivers, and use the OEM tool for an authenticated flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.